Yeah.
Good afternoon. Okay. Today, so last few classes, reproductive system. So I just checked actually before this class on the anonymous questions. Great questions. Um, some of which are a little nerve wracking for me for people to ask some of these questions if those people are being sexually active. Um, and hopefully they're not in the type of questions that are being asked. But really, really great questions, and I can't wait. We're close to completing this unit to share answers with you. I think it's going to be very helpful for all of you. So we talked about the male and the female reproductive system, and you also had the diagrams where you completed over the last few classes on the male and female reproductive system and had to match those words to the correct location using the notes that you've taken. Now, please remember, okay, Wednesdays are review days. They're days where I can reteach, answer questions, one-on-one chats with some of you guys, right? Today, what you're going to do, and hopefully for many of you, this will be simple and easy so you can get it done and get out. I'm going to open an assignment where you are going to have both of the diagrams. So it's as simple as that, male and female reproductive diagrams that you are going to match using only your notes. Hopefully, that's all you do. Okay. And again, just to reiterate, when I use those terms, male and female, I am referring for this class when we're talking about reproduction and we're talking about genitalia. Okay. It's also important to understand that somebody who might be born with a penis might not identify as male. Same thing if somebody is born with a vagina, they might not identify as female. We're going to be talking about gender identity. We are going to be talking about gender expression. We are going to be talking about sexual orientation. And all of those things actually mean different things. For many people, those things kind of match up and they're the same. And for many people, they do not. So eventually, as we continue on in this unit, we will learn more about that. Before today, I am going to unlock or publish the assignment for today. It should be quick. It should be nice and simple and easy for a lot of you guys. It is called 317 Assignment Diagram Review. This is going to be a great review for you guys to complete as many times as you want to help you to get ready for the test. It is now published. Please make sure to get at least a 12 out of 16 on this. Hopefully, you guys will get a higher grade than that. Hopefully, using your notes, it should be simple and you all get a 16 out of 16. Where did I get that number from? 10, 10 terms and locations for the male reproductive system and 6 for the female, as you guys know from the past couple classes. If you were not in class last class for the female reproductive system and you never did the assignment from last class, please do that first before doing this today, because then you're going to be lost. So you might want to go back if you were not here last class, check that recorded Zoom, check those notes. Same goes for if you weren't here for the male reproductive system or if you didn't do that assignment. So you have to have done the last 2 assignments before completing today's assignment. Are there any questions? The only time that you can leave Zoom is if you've completed this, hopefully 16 out of 16, but at least a 12 out of 16, and if you are up to date with all other assignments.